First one.
Beautiful. Yeah,
How do we go without the light? Oh, it's not too bad, eh?
that's quite good actually. I can see the rod. That's nice little.
Woo! All right, we'll let this guy go.
Yeah.
What is it?
We're on.
What is
That's
it?
right. Let's go.
Here's a brim.
3-6.
Guys, first fish.
Thank you,
Nice
Star.
size brim.
Pull.
Woo-hoo-hoo.
Ay, ay,
You
ay.
dropped it!
Sorry.
They got the first fish.
Sorry, you're fine.
Ah,
You're fine.
Damn.
Beautiful brim. We'll send
Little
him back.
brinska. Kamaran, welcome in.
Actually,
We're on.
bull shark? Is it bull shark?
No, it's not a shark.
Oh, bro's on again.
We are on, guys. I feel like it's going to be another brim.
Yep. Looks like the bro's got another brim.
What?
Oh, it's a big catfish.
Oh, Caddy.
Big catfish, guys.
Bro's got a
Does it make
catfish.
big sound?
Yeah. You guys see this big catfish?
I hear it.
Can they see it on the camera, Anna?
Yes.
Trying to
I
get
hate
the fish
these
to come.
things.